Dear friend, today I want to share some words about coronavirus. The natural immunity of coronavirus. Coronavirus is a type of acquired diseases because their effects come on suddenly and affect our body quickly. Their symptoms look just like lung cancer. There are no sure cure for coronavirus. It spread so much that the person cannot be cured. There are a few different types of treatment that are used to try to kill coronavirus or corona cells. The treatments are radiotherapy or radiation therapy and chemotherapy, immunotherapy. It also called biological therapy. Dear friend, today I focus on immunotherapy. Immunity of coronavirus. Most of these common effects corona disease depends on the fact that the immune system of patient's body becomes activated in response to an infection. An active immune system requires many cells to the affected tissue to destroy the disease-causing microbes. Immunity depends on the presence in the blood of antibodies and white blood cells. It is also called lymphocyte, which produce an immune response. Inherited natural immunity is that with which an active immunity arises when the body produces antibodies against an invading foreign substances called antigen, either through infection or immunization. Passive immunity is induced injection of serum taken from an individual already immune to a particular antigen. Active immunity tends to be long-lasting. Passive immunity has a short life. Many people in many countries study coronavirus and work on finding treatments. I also found some good remember points. If you taken these points seriously and follow themselves according my suggestion, then you became good health against coronavirus infection. The following things or habits create immunity against coronavirus. The first, the heavier viral food items create much immunity are following. Number 1, ajwa dates. Number 2, honey. Number 3, milk. Number 4, green chili. And number 5, lemon juices. Number 2 point, always eat pure and fresh food. To drink or breathe pure and fresh air or neat and clean water. Number 4, always eat bread, milk and green vegetables if you possible. Always take ajwa dates 2 or more times a day in your breakfast or dinner. Ajwa dates very effective in filling abdomen or early morning after brush your teeth. Number 6, always use grapes or figs in your diet 1 or 2 times a day in your breakfast or dinner. Number 7, always drinks hot water. Sometimes drink solution of water and honey. Number 8, sometimes drink solution of curcuma longa or hot milk after or before dinner 3 or 4 times in a week. Number 9. Sometimes use solution of giloy sat and honey early in the morning, 4 days or 5 days in a week. Solution of green. Number 10. Solution of green chilies, salt, allium sativum and lemon juices are very effective for viral or bacterial infection. It also creates immunity against coronavirus. Number 11. You should always wash your faces, nose, eyesight and tongue, hands and legs 5 times a day with fresh, neat, clean water. If you possible, you take wudu also. It is better for your immune system. Number 12. Time to time, you should wash your legs and hands with soap according to your needs. Number 13. Regular brush your teeth 2 or more times a day. Number 14. Regular take bath with hot water. If you possible, add some salt also. Number 15. Regular use mustard oil or coconut oil in your hair or body, muscles and hair if it protects against microbial infections. Number 16. Always use scents. It creates immunity against diseases in external immunity against diseases of coronavirus. It controls microbes, insects from outer environment. Number 17. Always use mask and isolate themselves from each other. Number 18. Avoid sexual fertilization. It may damage your immune system quickly. Number 19. Always follow the rules of health and hygiene and clean your clothes, houses and surroundings. Number 20. Always sit under the shade of rose plant or mehendi plants. Number 21. You should avoid sneezes, cough, cold, dust particles, smoke and poisonous substances. Number 22. Always avoid body contact because it quickly spreads pathogens or microbes, and take always social distancing. Number 23. Sometimes take fruit juices because it creates immunity against the virus. Number 24. To take coffee or tea with the mixture of ginger, officinal, clove peppers or black holly basil. It gives immunity in lungs and body. Number 25. Lemon tea also gives immunity against virus like coronavirus. Dear friend, I hope if you fulfill above the mentioned or above the remember points and you always follow my suggestions, you must be create immunity against coronavirus. Dear friend, if you like, then you subscribe and share your